24. Optical telegraph. Until the appearance of Morse's telegraph in 1832, there were other inventions to make information travel long distances in almost real time. But the first really practical system of telecommunications was the optical telegraph of the Frenchman Claude Chappe, which appeared in 1792. The first systems were based on showing or hiding a series of huge panels, but Chappe realized that it was easier to distinguish angles than the presence or absence of a plank. His telegraph consisted of a tower on which a mast was placed, from which two mobile arms protruded, each 1 to 4 meters long, black in color, and large enough to be seen from a great distance. Two levers moved those arms, and the combinations of arm and crossbar positions represented numbers and letters. Each tower or repeater was located 12 to 25 kilometers from each other and was equipped with two telescopes pointing to the towers before and after the line. The first message was transmitted from Lille to Paris in 1794. It was intended for the National Assembly and announced a French victory over the Austrians that had taken place only an hour earlier. Then the Assembly issued a decree, and before the end of the session it was already known that he had reached his destination. This caused a sensation and made us understand the real usefulness of the telegraph. The optical telegraph was so successful in France that the country came to create a network of 556 stations with which they communicated an area of almost 5,000 kilometers. Until the 1850s, it was the system used for all national, commercial, and military communications, and the model was modified and used in other countries such as Italy, Belgium, Holland, Sweden, Hungary, the United Kingdom, Germany, and the Spain of Carlos IV. Its only drawback was its inability to function at night or in bad weather conditions. For this reason, in 1846, the American Samuel Morse managed to convince the French government to replace the optical telegraph with its electric one, which did not have this disadvantage. Thus, the system was rapidly declining and was finally entirely replaced in 1853.